Hello, folks, students, and professionals. Let's welcome back another important tab and section of BP Master Data. So, additional data. Okay, why we have additional customer groups in S4 HANA sales. The same thing, if you already got introduced to ECC, you might heard about that. Okay, so it is quite simple as it is. The customer group is all about grouping your customers based on certain criteria. Okay, your customer groups can be like what I would say. You can able to take the criteria which actually business adopts. It's not your own decision again. So, for example, if you come here, this is the tab, sales tab. Few days back, we have seen. So, for example, this is the place where with 2 digits, the customers got divided into platinum, gold, and silver, bronze, large, specialty like that. These are the customer groups it is got defined. Okay. So maybe your customer group supposed to be assume that here it is got divided it as a wholesalers or retailers or something like that. Okay. So apart from this field, for example, okay, if you go to F1, okay, one sec. Let's go to the technical field. If you look at this is KDGRP, is the actual uh, customer group field. But what we are going to learn now, so if you come here, additional data, we have few other set of groups already there. So what is the basic advantage? In the practical, based on my 11 years of experience, what I have seen, these customer groups actually were going to reutilize if any additional data, additional filters it is required for your reporting. Okay. And you have a sales report side. So one is for reporting and second one is for your pricing. Okay. So now if you look at this, these fields, for example, if I show you, okay, technical field. So same KVGR 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, 5 additional groups he has given. Okay. From in terms of the practice from business side to facilitate from SAP side, okay, any additional things, okay. Let me try to explain you with some examples so that you can better understand, okay. So currently, what are the customer group like Y1, gold, platinum, like that, we have defined the customer group. We got an additional requirement, okay. Like that, my customers can be divided into like government customers, and this is private customers. Maybe like, I have a separate discounts. Okay. Within that government and private, I have a, specific criteria. Maybe I require a reporting. Okay. The list of customers, whatever the sales it is got happened, or else I can able to do some promotions. Okay. That means discounts or else some kind of pricing criteria charges, or else it is completely different. The pricing methodology is completely different for these two groups that I can able to do it. And second one is something like, maybe see, you can able to see this. It can be based on your demographics. If you look at that traditional study, if you have done in your MBA, like it might be gender. It might be based on your age group also. It can be the place where located. So maybe you can able to say that, metro customers, non-metro, and I can able to city. Okay. So maybe towns, okay, villages. Maybe I have a different promotion. Okay. So this is one customer group. Okay, this is one customer group. This is particularly one customer group, or else type of the customers. Okay. So maybe customer will call it as outlet also in retail, outlet type, and CG3 outlet subtype. Or else maybe if you are transferring the data to third party system, such a case, you can able to call it like different kind of tenant. They will call it as tenant as a customer in CRM and other places, Salesforce and all. See, it can be anything. It can be for data transferring, data communication, or else some specific criteria. Okay, or else I can able to do that. So this I'll keep it like this, and this is CG4. I can able to do like this also. Customer group probably like what I would say. Okay, warranty. Okay, so warranty, based on warranty, like I can say that with 6 months. Okay, so it can be like 12 months. Okay, 24 months. Like that, then you can able to do it, right? You're giving warranty on certain products. Maybe you can able to divide. So like so you can able to do. So maybe you required in business. Okay, the warranty, certain warranty need to be given. Like the kind of customer group which is buying the product. Okay, all these are the different customers. Probably you can able to run your pricing based on this, so that you can able to divide it. Let's try to define a few of them so we can able to understand what could be the combinations. Let's come here on SAP system. So where you can able to do that. So this is 3-digit code, whereas your direct customer group only 2 digits. Okay, that is SAP interest. We cannot able to do anything. It doesn't matter. For us, probably like we can able to define n number of customer groups more than 1,000 or 3,000 like that. That's why he has given 3 digits on that case. Otherwise, you have to control your customer group with 99 only. You can able to see this business partners, customers. So let's go to the sales. In this, you can able to see this actual customer group. This is the place we have defined. This is we have already seen. So this is the reserve field. Okay. Let's do one thing. Okay. Maybe I can do that. You know, uh, JAD01 metro. Okay. So JAD02 city. JAD03 on metro. So I can able to do the city cost. Let's try to take some pricing also, how it went, so that you can better understand this. So JAD03 and it might be down. So rest of all comes under ads. So maybe like this is based on type of the location I'm defining. Okay, this is sufficient. Escape. Let's try to define one more. Maybe I can say that. Let's go back. Okay, I can able to say that. So basically, this is your outlet. You can say that within metro, you have a tier 1 and a tier 2. Okay, outlet that will comes as a subtype. Let's keep it this. So Y03 all remaining. Okay, maybe I have a segregation like this in here. So it's actually in real time we made it in one of our project. So let's go for customer group 3. I can say that let's go by warranty. Okay, so I can say that maybe JAD11 warranty within 6 months. JAT 1.2 warranty within 12 months. JAT 1.3 warranty within 24. That's okay. In months I have made it. It can be years or whatever you call. So the finally one more is important. No warranty. Okay, we have such kind of products also there, right? Let's keep it this. As of that, this is the thing, something I would like to show you. Okay, so maybe let's try to go to BP. I'll just show you a couple of examples for you. So let's take this and okay. So maybe I can say that he's a metro guy, metro customer. And second is, let's put it, this one is outlet type. And let's put it warranty within 24 months. I think these three are more than enough. Okay. So metro outlet type warranty within that. Okay. Let's try to do one thing. Let's try to take, what is this customer? The BP is this one. This is this one. Okay. Let's try to take one more. So this is for 33. That is ends with 34. So this guy is down. Basically, let's try to make it this one as outlet subtype. Okay. So this is something like, so we can able to maintain the combinations in pricing. Okay. So warranty is within 6 months. Okay, let's put it for our understanding. So like this, you can able to define additional customer groups. So when it comes to pricing, you can able to take on key combinations. For example, I'm not going to define all customer group key combinations. So let's try to define based on our example only. Okay. So let's try to do one thing. Okay. So where we can, this is always follows your condition technique. So I would like to explain you something before getting back to pricing. I would like to request you, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Here, currently I'm holding 7,837 students. So this is like, one second, let me refresh this. This is the course for pricing. Currently, it is holding 2,000 plus students. If you really want, you can try this course. And with that inspiration, I have done this course exclusively on standard advanced concepts. Okay. So probably you can try this course. It is very, very good. Okay. These two courses you can learn with pricing. So since I'm doing this one for S4 HANA, okay, I'm trying to add the current example also here. So you can try these courses. This is completely PowerPoint presented. Better, I would request first try this course and second you'll get back to this course. Okay, this is a little advanced level, but I have used it most of the times 99% with S4 on a screen. Okay, all concepts. Okay, you can try that. And I have included pricing here also, but those two courses are exclusively explained all concepts. You can try this for complete S4HANA with 72 hours and with 251 lectures. This is also I'll add the current video also over here. Okay, let's come here. Let's try to go to the basic functions and here, come here, pricing control. Okay, this is based on condition technique. What I would say is, let's go for condition tables. Let's try to create one table. This is as part of pricing actually. So maybe I can say that 910. Okay. So probably like One second, let me try to. So now you can able to see this, all these are the groups. First three, we have defined it, okay? So maybe I can take any one of the criteria, depends on that. So like sales organization and distribution channel and all those things. So let's go to BKORG, okay? So it depends on the situation. So maybe I go to KVJR1, okay? So that, customer group I'm just taking, and probably I can take the combination customer group uh, 2 also, okay? Customer group 3 also. Some criteria is supposed to match. Like the guy is the customer supposed to be belongs to either metro or town. With that, he is having his outlet type, and apart from that, okay. So before determining any discount, like it has to meet the 3 criteria. So it can be single criteria also. It depends how you want it. You can able to take it. So I define this table as, okay. So I'll put it. So multi criteria discount. So maybe my company says that like this. Okay. So it has to match all 3. So let me put it in local object as of now. Okay. This is one thing. And let's go for. So this is specifically, I'm just taking this one. Okay. So this is min criteria. See, I can give my own names, right? Okay. This is second thing. And third one is, see, this is, if you know pricing only, you can able to understand this. If you don't know pricing, so don't try to understand this field actually specifically. This is part of pricing. I'm just trying to explain additionally. So probably if you are learning section by section and concept by concept in sales and distribution, just pass this section. Once your pricing session is over, you come back and you try to understand this one. That's what I'm telling. Okay. So let's try to put it here. So maybe I can take distribution channel and this one and this one. Okay, you can able to take. I can put this one as dual channel wise discount. I can give my own names. Don't worry, you can able to give your own. Okay. Let's assume all these discounts are what I would say percentage based discounts. Okay, let me try to put it. Let's try to define a condition type first. Okay, let me try to put it in on an access sequence. Add so in my company, I maybe different discounts will be there. I'm just trying to show you for understanding this an example. So I'm just taking the criteria. So 10, one is 9, 10. So this one is 20, is 920. So I'll just, this is not 920. This is 912. And this is 911. Let me put here. You can able to see this. So multi-criteria means all the criteria. If it is not matching, at least it will check dual criteria and it will check the minimum criteria in access sequence. That's why I kept. Don't worry about the sequence of the tables, what I have defined. So let's select this and click on the field determination. Okay. So let's go for this. This is fine. Now go for this. Okay. Customer groups, we can able to use it for either direct customer group discount or else you can able to apply group condition or not. It depends on how you wanted to understand the criteria. Okay, so this is just straight away I'm showing you. You can try different. See, pricing is the only place you can learn how much you learn. Still, it is left with you. Okay, continuous learning. Let's put it K0005. Maybe I can take K0007 as a copy. Okay, so CUGP. Okay, customer GRP discount. Let's keep it. That's it. That is fine. So let's press enter. So here, so what is the access sequence? So taken drags down F4. Okay, this is what I have defined. So certain times I will forget quickly. That's why I have to write and practice. So now we have done CUGP. Now let's try to go to our pricing procedure. Okay. Okay, this is a sample procedure I have defined. Let's try to place in a discount section. So this is standard, which is got copied. So probably I'll do that. 1 second. Maybe go to 126 CUPZ. Okay, CUGP. This is my bad, my mistake only. Okay. Uh, let's don't try to make it mandatory. This is the requirement to this is fine. And account key ERS. Okay, this is basically discount. It's not a mandatory condition. This is fine. Now let's try to define condition records. Okay. Okay. So before going ahead, let me try to go to the BP. So this is one of the customer we have defined, right? Let's try to see this criteria. What is the criteria I want? Straight away, I'm getting to, this is the customer. Okay. So for one customer, so straight away, I'm not, this is the customer, this customer. So I'm just maintaining only required criteria. Probably you can able to maintain n number of conditional records for different customers. This is the customer. Okay. So let's try to delete. I don't require. You understood? So now let me put the second customer. Okay, this is the customer. Let's try to take this criteria also. And this is the criteria. Let me copy. Let me take the screenshot of this. So otherwise you will confuse. That's why I'm doing this one. Okay. Okay, reduce the size of this tool. Okay, all good. So now you can able to see the both the criteria so that we can able to run Z01, Y01, Z13. Okay. So I'm going for first criteria only. Okay. So okay. So I'm just taking multi-criteria for our understanding. So what is the customer group? One is first case Z01, Y01. Z01, Y01, Z13. Okay. Why we are getting issue? Z13. Okay. So you can take all three customer groups here. You can able to take customer or material or else customer group, additional criteria also you can able to take it. Okay. This is just for our understanding, 10% is we are giving the discount. Okay. So here Z04, Z04, Y02, and this is here somewhere like 7% I'm giving the discount. Okay, this is so if you want, you can able to determine additional criteria also for testing. This is sufficient. So 34 I'm taking now. Okay. AD. Okay. Criteria I'm just keeping. So it's not depending on the material as of now for our key combination. So let's try to check if it is fulfilled or not. So now you can able to see this customer group discount 10%. I got it for this customer. Okay. Let's go to the condition record. You can able to see this. This is the first criteria it met, because since we know it, this is fine. But you have 10,000 or 50,000 or maybe like 1 crore customers are there. And generally, you don't have 1 crore, maybe like, 1 lakh customers are there. 1 lakh customers, by simply this group criteria combination, you can able to define into 3 condition records. If you are going to like, maximum 5 criteria, 1 lakh, 5 condition records you maintain, it will work for you. Okay. So let's try to check. This time this is 33, second customer. Okay. So obviously you should get 7%. I'm directly showing you. Okay, taxes redetermined, all good, all good, all good, all good. Okay. So maybe like take by quantity. Okay. Let's try to check. See, now it is 7%, it is got applied. This is how it work for you, like, customer group discount. Okay. With the additional criteria also. Let's try to check. Okay, this is the criteria. So what I would suggest is, if you would like to go through my course, this field is available early. Okay, what you can able to do is, so all these are the different topics. Okay, at my end. Okay, you can able to see this is the course. So in this course, somewhere, okay, use topics, right? Somewhere I have explained some sections specifically for pricing. So for example, if this field I'm adding early, okay, just wait for some time. Some place you will get your pricing concept. Once you finish the concept, then only you better get back to understand the pricing one with this customer group discount. So schedule and category, item proposal, delivery, free of charge, credit memo. Okay. Okay. Quick pricing setup. Once you finish this, uh, so tax determination, these two are the concepts I have added. Okay. So if you're already having the background of ECC pricing, then no issues. Otherwise, directly, if you're trying to learn this, better come back, better finish your pricing and then try to understand the pricing level, this concept. Okay. So please subscribe all these courses, all these available at affordable prices. Okay. So generally it is less. So somewhere you will have a flash sales, you can try through Udemy. Okay. So there is no point to spend, 1 lakh or 50,000 or 30,000 for S4HANA understanding. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for joining this session. Anyhow, I'm just adding at 2 places this one. One is at S4HANA sales dedicated course, and second one is S4HANA pricing. If you wanted to exclusively looking for pricing, you can try this course. Thanks so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Let's catch up further.